Hey guys, today I've got a Crosley stand-up or upright freezers, 20 cubic feet, so it's really big on the inside. I believe that would hold like a whole beef. It's in excellent condition all the way around. Not a lot to show off on the video, but I am going to show you real quick that it is freezing like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. You can see as I move this around here, you get a different reading, whatever it's shot on in Fahrenheit there. So it's about 68 on the side of the door. We'll open this up, shoot this inside. You can see it's negative 20 in some spots, but call it negative 17. Let me take a picture here for the ad. I always like to show that everything's frozen and freezing like it's supposed to, so that's basically gonna do it here. And of course, the more I fan the door, temperature's gonna rise a little bit on that temperature gun there. But you can see everything's in excellent shape, almost like new condition here. Light works. There's a thermostat adjustment on the inside, so if you didn't want it quite so cold. And on some of them, when you close the door, you can actually hear that airtight sealing process. Yep, so it's good to go. I'll get it listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, and have a great day.